said I'm here.
I'm going. Hold on, I need to grab some stuff.
You gotta do your makeup. Probably, bro. Just wake up.
What?
Alright, miss it. Okay. See you later. Well, me and Christian are gonna go to a local car meet. Don't really know what's gonna be there. We'll see what we see. I'll probably do like a little montage of it or something like that. The sun is bright. Yeah, I think they do this like every month or something. I mean, it's pretty cool. I don't know what cars are actually gonna be there, but there should be like some decent cars there. I'm not really sure. Last time we went, there wasn't really. There's probably like 10, 15 cars at the most, but Christian had to go in and do his makeup, and he's coming back right now, so. Alright, we'll see y'all there. Look how wide them tires are. That's crazy.
Pretty soon they start stacking the tires. Like, you know how they do 2
Oh, I like that one right there.
last 2 months was really hard. We maybe had like 10 before. Then I was like, this is like 10.
Alright, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's a pretty cool cars, a few Lambos. Or one Lambo actually, so. A few Ford GTs, 2 Ford GTs. So yeah, we're rolling out now.
This is that grimy and low down and slimy as flow. Mind-eating fluid lobotomy dope. Heimlich maneuver for rhymers who choke.